Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video I will show you and tell you how to force restart iPhone 14 that stopped working. If it's freezing and the screen is not working, please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. If your screen is unresponsive, there's nothing you can do about it. It's stuck. To do this, you need to force reset it. To do that, you need to press the volume plus button, the volume minus button, and then press the off button. Let me show you. Press the volume plus button once, the volume minus button, and then we press the off button. And hold it down until our phone turns off completely. And then we should see the Apple logo. Now we hold it down. The logo appears, let go. And then our phone will reboot and it will work. And everything will work. This is how easy it is to forcibly reboot a stuck iPhone. If it doesn't work, hangs, or dulls you. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Like it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, everybody.